and Chanel didn't come back or didn't report. No one had answers to talk to Chanel and say or to ask where Chanel is because no one, even you know how many friends as a youngster, you know how many friends do we have a lot of friends. So your mother, your father, they don't know all your friends' name. So it's very difficult for us to figure out and to say, but Chanel was dead, Ashanti's place or Melanie's place. It's difficult for us. So it just happened in a wink of time. So we can't actually say where's Chanel, whereabouts was. To be honest.
Okay.
But all I know, even if it was close, we don't know.
Kyle, tell me about the shoe that was found.
Hoe
Okay.
seker is julle dat dit haar skoen is?
Okay. They went to town. I think it's the last 2 weeks, two weeks ago.
Now
So
let me tell you that one. We were on in court that day. Me and my mother and my other cousin and my sister Sanyal in Menta. So we did take photos that day. I said to them, let us take photos there by the tree. And then I saw the shoes of Sanyal. When I saw the shoe of Sanyal, then I recognized it's Sanyal. But the thing is, I didn't see it easy because I didn't see your face yet. So that's why I'm not going to say it is now because I didn't see your face. See, but I know the shoe. My mother bought that shoe. That shoes for Sanya.
Who found the shoe?
The first one was on the scene. It's me and my sister, the smallest sister. You know the smallest
second
one?
youngest.
The second youngest of Sanya. And the second one of Sanya.
Third.
Glenay.
It's Glenay. She said to me, Nana, can you see something here? And I come to her and I see. And then she said, Nana, can you see this ground here? And I said, yes, I see. This ground, don't look right here. And then I said to her, take a stick and try to, but my father come and start to dig with the one. He start to dig, and that's how we saw this.
So while digging, what did you find?
Firstly, I found the shoe. Then I wanted to stop there, but deep in my heart, I know that something was wrong with her because I know that shoes reminded me that my daughter is there. And then I go further, but it's straight in. I dig, and then I get that smell. You know, that smell
Dead
of
body.
a dead person. So the police came and they stopped me, and it happened so quickly. And that's all that I can say.
As you were digging, what went through your heart and your mind during that time?
I was hoping not
To
for the
find?
worst because I always had faith that my child
He's alive.
is alive.
Do you still believe that she could still be alive?
Yes, yes.
I still believe.
That's how my mother feels. What I feel. She feels
Maybe
it
it's
from the
maybe it's
beginning.
her, and maybe it's not her.
Can you just describe the kind of person Chanel is?
Oh, she
So
was
yeah,
a lovely girl.
was a lovely girl. She was always trying to make
Someone can
someone stay.
Mm.
Was always trying a joke. She was always poking on me, and then I just to get my attention.
Mm.
And I'm gonna miss myself.
Maybe so.
If it's she.
If you see, I'm gonna miss myself.
As a
What did
mother,
they do?
how does it make you feel everything that's currently happening around you? People speculating, saying that it is Chanel that was found. Praat maar Afrikaans. As a mother, hoe laat dit vir unrelated case? The community is angry, the community is ready to take the matter into their own hands. How does that make you feel as the family?
To be honest about the boyfriend story, basically none of us we know the boyfriend. To be honest, we don't
We
know his
don't know.
face.
We didn't know his face.
Usually we know everyone around town, like in small town. Like when someone arrives here and it's a new neighbor, we know that person very well, but we weren't familiar with this place, not at all. In the community, I understand the community. They're only parents and fathers and families. So I think because we got raised in far or small town or whatever, so Auntie Nero will be my mother and Auntie Nero's son will be my mother's son. So because they will be frustrated because this thing
It's
that
very
happened,
really
that
bad.
this thing that happened with Sanyal is bad. Not only with Sanyal. I think there's another famous that happened currently that also happened the same thing, went through the same thing. So I think the reason for the community it's out of pain, it's out of hurt, it's out of pain. And especially when it's a now is so young, a young lady, 16 years old, you still have a lot to do. Still, I think you're still loving in 60. When you are 16 years old, you still have a bright future ahead of you. And that person just came out of jail like a month or two. I don't know how long he just came out, and it just took someone's life, just like that, like a piece of paper, like it was just throwing it away like it was nothing. So obviously the community they
Mm.
will feel like that. So just to be clear, I think it's not out of anger, but it's out of pain. Out of pain.
So, just have one last question. I don't know about you. Um, is there anything that you feel that is very important that we did not ask you that you definitely want to be said?
There's one thing that I don't understand about the court and how they do their things. To be honest, you see what I really don't understand. How can you come out of jail and it's not your first murder, your second murder? So the system, something around the system is not right. They failed us as the community, as the country. Because how can you say release someone when he's a danger to the community? That guy is not even young outside and look what he did. If it's him, look what he did. So how can our children be safe? Smart town, and let me say this thing. Smart town of power is not what power was before. When you call the police nowadays, they will take maybe 2 hours to come and arrive here. I remember when I was growing up, when I was 10 years a boy, 12 o'clock I can go down to the shop, but not anymore. Now you have to be so sure that you need to check is Nike safe, even if the shop is just here, 3 seconds away. You need to be sure is Nike really safe, but not anymore. When the guys, when they're going for, when the vans, when they're going for something that's not even really important, you are seeing they are up and down, but for stuff like this is not important. They will take it like long. So somehow the system is failing us day by day. Like last week, just briefly last week, I was asking one of
Jel Chanel is wat daar is.
Nee, volgens my voel ek is nog sterk en voel goed.
Mm.
Dit is nie my kind nie.
Mm.
Volgens my kan dit iemand anders wees. Dit wel soos ek sê die skoon kan hulle. Maar ek voel my kind still alive. So dit's wat hy.
Is dit daardie moederlike instinkte wat so vir tannie oortuig dat Chanel nog lewend is?
Volgens hoe ek voel die Here oortuig my en die manier wat ek het in my hart en dat ek voel ek dat my kind leef. Dit is nie sy. So ek het nog diep ek daai in my. En omdat ek nog sterk in die Here sal glo en voel dat my kind leef. Dis al wat ek vir julle kan sê.
answer me. The pictures was showed yesterday morning. Why not last week already when I was asking one of the guys, can you please show me the pictures? So just the system is failing us somehow. Don't know how, but it's not safe anymore. All of our environment is not safe anymore.
Wanneer is Chanel se verjaarsdag?
Die 19de van die 3de maand.
Sy het hierdie jaar
19de
16
maand.
geword.